Hey everyone, if you're seeing the critical process died blue screen error on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. Step 1. Force Windows into recovery mode. Turn off your computer using the power button. Turn it back on, and as soon as it starts booting, press and hold the power button again to turn it off. Repeat this 3 times. Power on and power off. On the 4th restart, Windows will detect a problem and show the message, "Your PC did not start correctly." Here, click on Advanced Options. Step 2. Open Command Prompt. On the Recovery menu, select Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Choose Command Prompt. If you don't see Command Prompt right away, click on See More Recovery Options. It should appear there. Now type these commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. bootrec/fix mbr and press Enter. bootsect/nt60sys and press Enter. bootrec/fix boot and press Enter. bootrec/rebuild BSOD and press Enter. Wait for each one to finish before entering the next. Close the command prompt window. Select Continue to Windows. Your system should now boot normally, and the critical process died error will be fixed.